It's time for a quick and dirty review of the Anvil Hawk. First of all, it is one of the more unique light fighters. Very fun looking, very exciting, not super reminiscent of a fighter in real life, a jet fighter. Incredible chair animation, 10 out of 10. Cool cockpit. Do these do anything? No. Don't think about it. The shields seem to be charging very quickly. Yes, they are. They are charging very quickly. Dope. Alright, so this is a very attractive ship. It's got 2 sets of guns, plus 2 on top, that's 3. Oh, and a rear one. Ooh! That's zippy. Gotta love that. It's fast to leave ammo. We're climbing pretty quick. I feel good about it. It's really easy to fly. I have this weird visual bug right now with these 4 streaks of light. I don't know if that happens all the time or if just I'm using it under weird circumstances or if the server's overloaded. Hawk is a light fighter. It has several forward-facing guns that all fire with the left click. So this is me just holding the left click. It has this rear gun. I don't know how to get it to fire or what it is. It might be an AI controlled weapon in the future since I can't see back there. It doesn't have... It indeed doesn't have missiles, but that's because it has the EMP. So you have to go into your guns menu and make sure you turn your EMP on. It's one of the few ships that does have an EMP. And you right click to charge. You don't have to hold it. And you right click again to release. Let me get in a little combat and show you. It's really zippy. It's pretty fast. I like that a lot. Hold on, let's see if we can charge up our EMP on the way there. Oh shit. I don't know. I don't think I hit him. I don't think he was close enough. Ooh. Oh my god. I just melted him. Stand by. The EMP seems to have to wait a certain amount of time to recharge before I can charge him. It always registers as a hit on you, so don't panic when you use it. I wonder if there's a way I can see... On the right here, you can see its usage. Well, let's get real close and try to EMP him. Okay, so all of the weapons facing in the same direction. These 6 guns that I have firing all at the front they hit like a truck. He's not shooting. I wonder if that means I knocked out his systems. He's about to... yeah. He seemed dead in the water, like he had to maintain his velocity. Which is awesome. So it didn't seem necessarily like it did the most shield damage, but it might have penetrated whatever area I targeted and then left him as a sitting duck. Which is honestly incredible. Hold on, let's back up and look at that animation. So this is the EMP charging. Yeah, it kind of seems like it blows in every direction. Which is awesome. Just in case, aim at them. But the Anvil Hawk, I will say, it's definitively my favorite fighter that I've ever been in. It's buttery to drive, you can withstand quite a few Gs. At the expense of missiles, you have a shit ton of guns that you can fire from the front. Also, the EMP is incredibly powerful. I've been in quite large ships that got EMP'd, which led to our death. If you can get your hands on the Anvil Hawk outside of Fleet Week, I highly recommend it.